Hello BeeBusinessBee fans, and I wanted to take a special chance to talk to you today about Valentine's Day and how that impacts on business and something called seasonality. Now, seasonality is all about that point where a business will make money depending on what season we're in. So, for example, certain events may mean that your business is seasonal. Let's think about a theme park, for example. They will have a season which is summer related. So they'll make most of their money in the summer, and they then may find diversification strategies and ways to make money in the winter. That might be like building a hotel, for example. Maybe they'll build a hotel to try and get guests in a water park. They're all methods that you may use to try and diversify your core market. Other businesses might be seasonal, for example, card shops. Card shops have certain peak seasons. One of those peak seasons is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is a very important day for many businesses. It's a way to make additional money. It could be via the selling of cards. It could be via the selling of extra meals if you're a restaurant. If you're a florist, it could be extra deliveries of flowers. Now, bear in mind, for many businesses, after Christmas, it's probably a quiet January. So having Valentine's Day in February is probably a good point to drive up business. And that's why many of these days exist that have been created to try and drive up some trade in certain industries. Now, what caught my eye was that with Valentine's Day, I was looking around the shop and I couldn't believe that I saw this. Look at this. It's actually a We Belong Together card. Now, no, it's not a BeeBusinessBee production. I think I've missed a trick there. I've missed a way of diversifying into making cards. However, it's one of those things that really caught my eye because I thought, what a fantastic idea. Maybe next year it's something that BeeBusinessBee should start producing. Of course, somebody lucky will get this card, hopefully, and they'll enjoy it. And I hope they certainly agree that we do belong together. But what I'd like to say about that issue is that when you're thinking about a business and you're thinking about how you can make money, seasonality is a really important aspect. You maybe need to diversify your business. And when I say diversify, I mean look at new ways to generate revenue. So like we talked about the theme park, maybe you need to work out what your core market is, and then you need to work out what other markets you can diversify into to try and take advantage of. Most businesses that have got seasonal products do exactly this. They look at how they can make their money. If you want to think about it, just when you go out and about, think about what businesses make money in the summer and then look at what they do in the winter to try and generate income. Because most businesses have to do something to try and generate that income. And well, on this very special day of Valentine's Day, I'll say until next time, ensure that you keep buzzing.